If your business collects HST and you're treating all the money deposited into your bank account as revenue stop, part of that money may represent tax you've collected that could ultimately need to be remitted to the CRA. Spend it without planning, and your next HST deadline could become a serious cash flow problem. Hi, I'm Us Melbourne, founder of Melbourne Accounting Solutions. Today we're talking about a problem that catches many Canadian business owners by surprise: GST, HST cash flow management. Collecting HST can make your bank balance look healthier than your business actually is. And that's where trouble can begin. Imagine you're an Ontario business owner. You invoice a customer $10,000 plus 13% HST. Your customer pays you $11,300. You look at the bank account and see $11,300 arrive. But here's the mistake. That doesn't mean you just earned $11,300 of revenue. The $1,300 represents HST collected on that transaction. Now, your final HST remittance isn't necessarily $1,300 because your business may be entitled to claim eligible input tax credits, or ITCs, for GST, HST paid on qualifying business purchases and expenses. But the important lesson is this: you need to know your net GST HST position before spending the cash. In simplified terms, many GST HST registrants calculate their net tax by looking at the GST HST collected or collectible on taxable supplies and subtracting eligible input tax credits. For example, suppose your business collected $10,000 of HST during a reporting period, and suppose you have $4,000 of eligible ITCs. Your net amount before considering other applicable adjustments could be approximately $6,000. That's money your business needs to be prepared to remit. Now imagine you've already spent it. Payroll is due, rent is due, suppliers need payment, and suddenly the CRA deadline arrives. You now have a tax problem that started as a cash flow problem. Why this matters? This is where business owners can get caught. Sales increase, more HST is collected, the bank balance grows, and the owner thinks business is doing fantastic, so the money gets spent. But when the reporting period ends, the HST return still has to be prepared, and any amount owing has to be paid by the applicable deadline. Depending on your reporting situation, your filing and payment deadlines may not always be identical, and late remittances can result in interest and, in certain circumstances, penalties. That's why waiting until the HST return is due to think about the money is a dangerous habit. Collecting HST can increase your bank balance without increasing your wealth. Know the difference between money you've earned and money you've collected as part of your tax obligations. Here's a habit worth considering. Monitor your GST, HST position throughout the reporting period rather than discovering the amount at filing time. Keep your bookkeeping current, track eligible ITCs properly, and consider setting aside cash for expected remittances so that tax deadlines don't become financial emergencies. The exact amount you should reserve depends on your circumstances. That's why accurate bookkeeping matters. At Melbourne Accounting Solutions, we help businesses understand their GST, HST obligations before the deadline arrives. We can help review your records, identify eligible input tax credits, prepare your returns, and help you plan for upcoming remittances. Because filing an HST return is one thing, managing the cash required to pay it is another. If HST deadlines regularly catch your business by surprise, let's have a conversation. A better system today can prevent a painful cash flow problem tomorrow. Look at the money currently sitting in your business bank account and ask yourself, if my GST, HST reporting period ended today, do I have a reasonable idea of what my business might owe? If you don't, that's a number you should know. I'm Us Melbourne, founder of Melbourne Accounting Solutions. Our mission is simple: to help Canadian business owners make smarter financial decisions, reduce unnecessary taxes, and build stronger businesses. If you found this lesson valuable, please subscribe to our channel so you never miss future Canadian business, tax, accounting, and financial insights designed to help you succeed. And if GST, HST bookkeeping, filing, or remittance planning is becoming a burden for your business, contact Melbourne Accounting Solutions. Let's get your records organized and help you stay ahead of your obligations. Helping Canadian business owners learn, grow, prosper. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.